Piscisea.
Now let's talk about how to charge the smart knob. This is the power cable you're gonna get from the packaging. One end will be the USB port, another end will be a magnetic poco pin. You can use any standard 5 volts USB port. Here, let's use a power bank for example. Plug into your power bank. On the other end goes to your smart knob. It has magnetic in it and it's single directional. So when you get it close to each other, it will snap on it. But if you're in the wrong direction, it will not work. So it's a single direction, snap on it. Then your snap knob will start flashing green and yellow, meaning it's charging. Once the LED light turns into solid blue, that means it's fully charged. Again, this end goes to any standard 5 volts USB port. This end connects to your smart knob. Once it's connected, your smart knob will automatically turn on and start flashing green and yellow, meaning it's charging. Once this light turns into solid blue, that means it's fully charged.
Piscisea.